Okay, this is on the Riggs job, number 55615. This is on the basement apartment system, which Lance has not okayed yet, but Mac told me we were going to replace the furnace with another 80% furnace, and we're going to add a coil. So I just am guessing, and I guessed my measurements, so I guessed the coil to be 24.5 inches tall. Furnace will be 33. And I guessed that he's going to put in an MLAC unit, which is 24.5 inches. Anyway, so I'm also guessing since he's replacing the other filter boxes, he wants to replace this one. So we'll just take this off and replace it directly onto this existing duct and onto our new furnace. So we'll put on a new filter box. No base on this furnace. It's just a 1.5 ton AC. So new filter box, furnace, coil, and then a canvas. Cut line right here. So this duct is 14.5 by 20. And our coil's going to be 14.5 by 20 3/8. So just put your slips on the outside and make up the 1/8 inch difference on each side with your slip, because it'll be, well, a little bit different, but you can make it up in the canvas. Okay, so combustion air is okay right there. Vent, hook onto the existing B vent. You know what? I bet our new furnace is centered, so I better give you, I just gave you a new draft hood and a adjustable, but I better give you a 6-inch and a 90, so you can do an offset if you need to. And I will. I'm going to add a 6-inch and a 90 just in case. I'm not sure exactly, but you probably need an offset in there. Okay. Or if you want to take this off and add a 6-inch and adjust the, I'll order that for you, but make it work with that. Gas. So from the caulk, you're going to add a 2T4 cap and a flex to a 290 10-inch into the furnace. AC, I just went over all that, except for the line set. Depending, I'm guessing probably about a 30-foot line set, maybe 40. I'd probably order a 40. But I was going to look where the window is out here to see where they want it. But Mac's going to patch the sheetrock wherever you can get out. You can measure from the window or the combustion air grill, but I'm guessing you're going to have to come over and cut out the sheetrock here and go up and out. And this was included in Mac Builder's price to fix his sheetrock, so just know that. I hadn't looked any more else into that. That's just what he told me we were going to do. But I went over all that. The drain, so it's going to have to go to the floor in the furnace room right behind here. So just come down and poke through the wall and go to the drain. So standard order on that. Power, you're going to reuse. I'll order you 2 box connectors. Thermostat, I don't know. I'm guessing he's going to put on an S40 because that's what he's doing on all the others. They do have 8 wire, but that's it. Thanks.